at last. I've got the gearbox out. Oh, just let's whack this clutch on. Next, let's get the gearbox in. Moment of truth. Let's see how the clutch is. It feels nice. Yeah, that feels beautiful. Oh yeah, that's good. Right. Let's see if it works. Let's reverse. Wow. The bite is perfect. You can tell it feels brand new now. Right, let's do first gear. Jesus, that's low down. It's perfect. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Yeah. It's brilliant. Right, reverse. Right, it seems like we've sorted out the problem, which is brilliant. So, next is new windscreen, 2 new mirrors, and then we can put it in for its MOT. And fingers crossed, everything should be good.